Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 3, English, Lesson number 7, Khashaba Jadhav, Part 1. Children, have you heard about Olympic Games? This is the sign of Olympic Games. Olympic Games are those games in which sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together and they play the games for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics, events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastics, events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. In this picture, you can see some Indians who have won the Olympic medals. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Khashaba Jadhav. Khashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara city. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khashaba. Dada Saheb himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khashaba. From an early age, Khashaba loved to watch wrestling boots. His father took him to see the boots from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the boots. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon it became clear that he was also the best not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Khashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, malakham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. Khashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Khashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He bet the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. So this was the first part of the lesson. Based on the lesson, let's answer the following questions. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. Who takes part in Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world take part in Olympic Games. What medals are given in the Olympics? Gold, silver, and bronze medals are given in the Olympics. Where was Khashaba Jadhav born? Khashaba Jadhav was born in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district in Maharashtra. What sports did Khashaba Jadhav like? Khashaba Jadhav liked wrestling, running, malakham, swimming, and gymnastics. Now, children, the next question is use 2 or 3 letters from the words to make other words. That means one big word is given and from that you have to make smaller words. Here I have made it, but in other than this, if you would like to make some other words, you are most welcome. So go forward and do this exercise in your CW books. So all this, you all are going to write the question answers in your CW book. Thank you, children.